Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow plants in a grow bag today with my dad.
Hello.
And my brother. Hello. So let's get the video started. First, let me show you what material we need.
Okay, so you can see these grow bags lying here. So we have these grow bags of different types. One is where we have this grow bag. This grow bag you can see, right? So this is the rectangle shape. And then we do have grow bags in this green color where we have the circle grow bags. So this is what we are going to fill. And what we need for the grow bags, first of all, we need the soil. You can see the soil here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take an little hole, I'll say, in the middle of the soil so that I can mix this organic potting mix, right? So first of all, I'm going to open this one. So my little one is going to help me. So Chris, can you open this
Can you
potting
please
mix?
open it?
Yeah. So here is the scissor. So my little one is going to help me opening this potting mix. So what are we going to do? We are going to mix this with the
Okay. So now it's coming out. As you can see, it's a little lighter color. So right now, over here, you can see my dad is mixing the compost and the soil.
So this one is
Of course, do you want to go help? Good girl. Mix, mix, mix. Good job. Also, like you can see over here, my dad, he's finding lumps. If there's any lumps, make sure to break them because you don't want lumps in your soil or compost.
that's true.
So please,
So let's mix it.
please don't have any lumps. So after mixing, the next step is to put the soil potting mix in the grow bag.
So the what is that the plants can breathe very easily. We are putting them in the
So guys, this is how we have filled it. Over here are the growing bags. And now
so that we have to put only 1/3 of the soil, right? So that's very important. So don't fill it all the way till top. Just fill 1/3 of the growing bag.
also now you can do is you can fill any plant or seed of your choice, and then you can pour water in it. Make sure to keep it somewhere where sunlight comes, and then slowly you'll see it growing. And if you want to see me do that steps, then make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And in part 2, I will show you how to put the plant in the growing bag